1-2 staying in the pattern, Caldwell. Alright, I don't hear anybody else. Nobody on the instrument approach.
And nobody on TCAS.
Got him on the iPad.
I got you in the fish finder. Got a fish, man.
Right off the brakes. Power's coming in. Engine's looking good. Got some airspeed. There's 50, 55, 60. And we're climbing.
Visibility's better up here than I expected.
We try just a normal landing here first, just to kind of feel out. I don't remember the last time I actually flew this plane.
I think she flies nice.
Yeah, it's not bad. I did some instrument training in it. It's not bad.
I still like the G5s better, but not a fan?
HSI is not bad.
Yeah.
Call traffic sky 96 Whiskey uniform is left base 12 touch and go Caldwell.
HSI is nice.
There's just less going on.
500.
You know? Like the G5 is nice, but I'm okay with the HSI. Caldwell traffic, Sky 96 Whiskey uniform is final 12 touch and go Caldwell. Red over white and you'll be alright. Alright, flaps are coming up, power's coming in. Engine's green, airspeed. Now why can't I have soft touchdowns like that when I actually do soft fields? See, that's full power and there's still room on the...
I was just going off of engine sound. movement of the throttle. I was just going up the engine. Didn't sound like it was getting full welly, as they say in England.
Oh, we're not in England.
I don't know. I mean, it's
Yeah, it might have been a little.
a dreary day. This is England weather, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess. Call traffic sec 96 with uniforms making short approach into 12, touch and go Caldwell. That affects, I was reading a accident investigation where that was the case where that setting wasn't properly set. So it was way too, the plane crashed on takeoff. So it was way too rich.
What's the OAT?
500.
Channel 45F. Or 7 Celsius. Oh, we're gonna be short on this one. Maybe. Yeah, we're gonna be short.
What do you want to do?
Yeah, there it is. We try no flapper. Flaps are up. Power's coming in. That head one just really killed it. Brakes.
I'm just curious.
5. Remarks. Density altitude 2,300. Caldwell Industrial Airport. Automated weather observation 1447. Zulu. Wind 100 at 11. Visibility 10. Light rain. Sky condition overcast 3,200. Temperature 08 Celsius. Dew point 07 Celsius.
Ooh.
Altimeter 2.
Yeah, it's getting close there.
Yeah. Thoughts? Thoughts on that?
Well, when the temperature and dew point gets equal, you have fog. This stuff is rolling in quicker than I thought it would too.
Yeah. What do you want to do?
Well, I mean, we're good right now. I mean, we might have 2 or 3 left, but
Might
take.
I would say 1 or 2.
Caldwell traffic sec 986 with uniform is left downwind. Touch and go Caldwell. Yeah, it is getting. Yeah, it's getting a little worse out this way too.
Yeah.
Usually, yeah, when we started, it was pretty clear.
Yeah, the visibility has dropped
Significantly.
Yeah. I mean, we're still legal.
Yeah.
But
I mean, yeah, that's true.
But it's closing in.
Oh no, I just lost my engine.
Boy, this day's just going to poop.
I know.
Bad weather, engines that keep dying.
Yeah. call traffic sky 96 Whiskey Uniform is going to be making short approach into 12, touch and go, weather dependent, Caldwell.
$500.
Thank you. Nice. Nailed it. Nailed it. Alright, flaps are coming up, power's coming in. Engine's green, airspeed is coming bird. And we're up.
I noticed you like to keep the nose wheel off. Is that like kind of a short or soft fuel dish kind of thing, or is there another reason for that?
Well, it protects the damper. And this plane, I remember that from like instrument, like this plane always has that
Shimmy.
That shimmy. And it's just, I don't know, it's just a little more. As a prior maintainer, I like to not break things, you know?
Okay. I'm not attacking it. I was just wondering what the rationale was. Seems reasonable.
Yeah. No, I know. I watch people land. You know, like when I, take pictures at the airport and stuff like that, and like guides and Cessnas just come in and like 3-point them. It's like, a 20, baby.
That one would have passed.
You know, we just need to try not to hydroplane.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. The water coming off the tire.
And call traffic stack 986 Whiskey Uniform is clear runway 12 at Golf, taxi to Park, Caldwell.